Cardano ADA to $1,000. Cardano ADA third largest crypto. Cardano ADA news today. The cryptocurrency market has resumed its rally, and some analysts are calling the next phase a super bull cycle. ADA sets new all-time high at $3. Cardano ADA has been one of the best performing cryptos in the market. The coin has surpassed Binance Coin, BNB, to become the third largest cryptocurrency by market cap. Today we're going to talk all about the Cardano price and market cap. So watch the video till the end, because today's video is going to be the bomb. Welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Cardano news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Cardano news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of ADA is doing on the 7th of September, shall we? Cardano price is struggling to maintain its uptrend as the bulls continue to overcome obstacles, aiming to set a new record high. ADA is stuck in a tight range within an optimistic governing pattern that could see a 16% upswing materialize, should the token break above $2.95. Cardano price reveals two major hurdles. Cardano price has been developing an ascending triangle pattern on the 4-hour chart, as ADA set higher lows. The token attempted to break out of the pattern on September 2nd, but fell short as the buyers lost confidence in the crypto's uptrend after setting a new all-time high at $3.09. Following the new record high, Cardano price retraced slightly and fell back into trading with the governing technical pattern. The prevailing chart pattern suggests that should ADA manage to slice above the topside trend line, a 16% ascent could occur, indicating a target at $3.43. However, the road toward a new all-time high may be challenging for ADA for the time being, as hurdles have arisen that could hinder a potential rally for the token. Cardano price faces stiff resistance at the 24-hour simple moving average at $2.90. The into the blocks in-out of money around price, IOMAP, also suggests that this level would act as the next obstacle for the bulls, as 63,900 addresses purchased 2.87 billion ADA at an average price of $2.89. If Cardano price is able to overcome this level of resistance, the next obstacle for ADA would be at the upper boundary of the triangle at $2.95, before the token could target bigger aspirations. Adding credence to this powerful resistance is the IOMAP, which indicates that breaking above this level would be tough, as 43,340 addresses bought 1.91 billion ADA at an average price of $2.96. Although the chances for ADA to continue its rally would be challenging, the 54-hour SMA suggests that Cardano price would be able to discover support at $2.87, should there be an interval of profit-taking. The IOMAP also backs this line of defense with the largest cluster in the money, with 159,100 addresses that purchased 1.73 billion ADA at an average price of $2.85. Investors should also note that if Cardano price falls below the lower boundary of the triangle, the bullish outlook may be voided. ADA may then drop lower to tag the 104-hour SMA before potentially retracing toward the 78.6% Fibonacci extension level at $2.64. Now let's get back to the topic. The coin has surpassed Binance Coin, BNB, to become the third largest cryptocurrency by market cap. However, ADA might surge higher after setting a new all-time high at $3 earlier today. The general cryptocurrency market resumed its rally today after underperforming since the start of the week. Bitcoin was finally able to touch the $50,000 level again after struggling for the past few days. Ether has also successfully cemented its price above $3,500. Cardano continues to set the trend in the market, reaching a new all-time high of $3. Cardano's rally coincides with the launch of its Alonzo testnet as the network prepares for a mainnet launch later this month. The Alonzo upgrade is expected to usher in numerous changes to the Cardano blockchain, including the introduction of smart contract features. With the availability of smart contracts, the Cardano blockchain can host a wide range of decentralized finance protocols and NFTs. DeFi and nonfungible tokens are some of the hottest fields in the crypto space, and they're gaining massive adoption globally. Hence, the possibility of NFTs and DeFi coming to the Cardano blockchain is enough to cause a rally. The crypto market has been in a bullish trend over the past year, despite the slight correction experienced over the summer. Despite the impressive performance displayed by the broader cryptocurrency market, some analysts believe that we're set to enter a super bull cycle. This cycle could see the prices of most cryptocurrencies double or triple over the next few months. Michael van de Poppe is confident that the prices of cryptocurrencies could continue to rally over the coming months. Why is Charles Hoskinson's blockchain network late in adding smart contracts features? In order to make the network more scalable, secure, and effective, Cardano adopted a steady approach in developing the network and addressing issues that its top two competitors faced in the past years. Ethereum has been able to move faster, and its network currently holds 80% of the DeFi sphere market share. However, users have been complaining about the higher fee structure and network congestion. The most used blockchain network plans to address those issues with its upcoming ETH 2.0 upgrade. Meanwhile, Cardano's transformation team, Input-Output Hong Kong (IOHK), which believes in thorough research and testing, has been carefully upgrading the network through multiple developmental phases, including the foundational phase, Byron, and decentralized phase, Shelley. The upcoming Alonzo hard fork implementation has also gone through a wide testing process that includes color-coded testing stages such as white, blue, and purple, which were developed to support more testnet users. In a Twitter video, Hoskinson said Alonzo Purple was a lot smoother than Byron and Shelley. Why have smart contracts become so important? Cardano is not the only one in a rush to develop smart contracts features that will entice DeFi and other emerging platforms. Several other blockchain networks are also working hard to achieve that milestone as soon as possible, because the DeFi ecosystem has already crossed $100 billion in market cap, with prospects for substantial growth ahead. Further bolstering the smart contract race is the fact that the emerging market offers a lot of space to new players. Currently, 80% of dApps are built on Ethereum, according to State of the dApps, which tracks decentralized applications. As the DeFi system is on the verge of disrupting a large number of well-established industries, such as lending, betting, trading, and many more, the profit-making opportunities are vast for blockchain networks that support smart contract features. Moreover, the growth in decentralized exchanges, liquidity mining, yield farming, and reward platforms are adding to the growth opportunities. The long-anticipated upgrade could help Cardano compete on equal terms with Ethereum, which supports the vast majority of decentralized finance applications, such as lending protocols and exchanges facilitating transactions without intermediaries. Popular trader and crypto analyst Benjamin Cohen said he sees a threat that could prevent Cardano's ADA bullish setup. In this new strategy session, he said that ADA's bullish sentiment continues to be the third largest cryptocurrency print, with a new all-time high. He said, "For now, I think a lot of the hype is two things. Number one is smart contracts launching in a few weeks. That's number one. I think there's a lot of hype building into that. Number two, Bitcoin's above the 20-week simple moving average and going sideways, so the path of least resistance for ADA is to go up." According to him, the next price explosion for Cardano would depend upon Bitcoin's BTC's ability to stay above a key level. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. And make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time on Cardano Land. Bye!